Standard First, English Medium, Subject Mathematics. Lesson number 14, Understand and Write 8. Children, who lives in water? Tell me. Fish, crocodile, tortoise, etc. Correct. Do you know octopus? No? Octopus lives in water. He has 8 hands. 7 and 1 finger makes 8 fingers. Octo means 8 and pus means hand. Octopus is an 8-handed animal. You know Ganpati Bappa? Some Ganpati Bappas also have 8 hands. That's why that Ganpati is called Ashtabhuja. Today we introduce to number 8. What object we use in rainy season outside home? We use umbrella, raincoats, to protect ourselves from rain. Generally, umbrella has how many sticks of metal? Umbrella has 8 sticks. Let's sing the song of umbrella. 8, 8, 8. Umbrella has 8 sticks, 8. For a naughty rain, let's wait. The song was nice, wasn't it? Say loudly. 6 and 2 makes 8. 2 digit after 6 number, that is number 8. Now, let's see our textbook. What you see in first picture? Tell me. Locks. Correct. Count it. How many locks are there? 8. Correct. What you see in the second picture? Rackets. Correct. How many rackets are there? 8. Correct. Draw 8 pairs in an empty place and color it. In the first picture, place the string in such a way that 8 objects will be in its loop. Repeat the action in second picture. Now you can write number 8 quickly. Do you like the process of writing 8? Practice of number 8 with the help of dots. 8. How many days in a week? 7. Now add 1 in that 7. It makes 8. Isn't it enjoying, children?